In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create custom CMS forms in Wix Studio. Start by going to Wix Studio and logging into your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, find the site you want to work on and open it in the editor. This will take you to the workspace where you can build and manage your form. Next, go to the left panel and open the CMS, which may also appear as the Content Manager. This is where you will store the form submissions. Create a new collection by clicking the option to add a new collection. Choose to create your own collection, then give it a name that matches the purpose of your form. After that, add the fields you need for your form. For example, you might create fields for name, email, and message. Make sure each field matches the type of information you want visitors to enter. This will help keep your collection organized and make the form work correctly. Once your collection is ready, move to the page where you want the form to appear. Click Add and insert the input elements you need. You can use text input fields, email fields, drop-down menus, and any other form elements that fit your design. Also add a button that visitors will use to submit the form. Now connect each input element to the CMS. Select an input field, then choose the option to connect it to the CMS. Link that input to the correct field in your collection. Repeat this process for every form field so that each piece of information is connected properly. The next step is to add and configure a dataset. Insert a dataset onto the page and connect it to the collection you created. In the dataset settings, set the mode to write. This is what allows the form to send new submissions into your CMS collection. After the dataset is connected, select your Submit button and make sure it is set up to submit the form data. This button will trigger the submission and save the entered information into your collection. Before publishing, preview the form to test it. Use the preview mode to check that each field works as expected. It is also a good idea to switch between desktop and mobile views so you can confirm that the layout looks good on different screen sizes. When everything is working correctly, click Publish to make your website and form live. Your custom CMS form will then be ready to collect submissions directly inside Wix Studio. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.